Hello guys, for today's video, I am going to show you how to do this kind of box. This can be used for candies or giveaway things for a birthday party. You know, I really enjoy DIY projects. It gives me a sense of satisfaction from creating something unique. It also boosts my crafting skills and widen my imagination and develop some techniques. This is the material I have used for this box. It is a printed short folder I bought from an educational supply stores here in our place. The size of this short folder is enough for a one piece of this design with a dimension of 4 by 2 by 5 inches. But before I go on, for my returning viewers, thank you so much for watching again and hope this could help you in customizing boxes for your own items. And for those who are new to my channel, please do subscribe now and set the bell button to all so you will be notified every time I have a new uploads, which could be interesting and helpful for your own project. Now let's begin. From the folded part of this folder, both sides you have to measure 1 inch, then 4 inches, and then 1 inch again. Then, turn the folder vertically and from right edge, measure 4 inches thrice. Then, remove the outside parts and it should look like this. Next is you have to do like this in all sides. This measures 2 centimeters. This will serve as the lock of the box in all sides. It is a place where you are going to put the tape or a glue. And now it's time to cut this out. And the shape or template of this box should look like this. The next step is to score all the visible lines. It is where you are going to fold this material in order to assemble it. So it is important to score it properly to have a fine edge and proportioned box. Please continue to watch out guys. I am showing you here the whole process of scoring. In scoring, I am using cutting mat, ruler, and the back side of the cutter by simply making light, straight indentations along the fold lines, ensuring they are deep enough to weaken the material, but not so deep that it tears. You know, scoring is a technique used to create clean and precise folds in your materials, especially if it is thick, because it prevents unsightly creases or bulges that can occur when folding thick material. Okay, scoring is now done, and next is we are going to assemble the box. First, we have to fold it according to the scored lines. Guys, please take note, all the 2 centimeters cut outside the box or outside the material should be folded going inside. That is where we are going to lock all the sides. And in order to lock it, I used the double-sided tape. Glue or paste can be used in order to lock the sides, but it depends also to the material you used. So I always use this double-sided tape. But for you, it depends to what you have or what is available in your place. Just remember to handle the material carefully to avoid tearing or damaging it, especially guys when working with delicate or thin materials. Scoring the lines beforehand helps prevent unwanted creases or ensures cleaner folds, resulting in a more professional looking box. Then, in this step, you have to ensure that the edges are aligned and you have to press firmly to create a strong band. Keep on watching guys and watch it carefully because I am showing here the whole process of assembling the box. It is a bit difficult, guys, because the box is small and my hand is big, so it cannot fit to get inside and hold the sides of the box. But you just have to be patient because you can still make it good. Okay, here we go. My giveaway box is now done. So this is the opening. This is where we have to put the item, the candy, the chocolate, or whatever giveaways you are going to give, you can put it there. And in order to seal this box, after putting all the items inside, I am going to make a hole so I can put a ribbon. There you go. Our DIY giveaway box is now done. So you can see all the sides, the front, the bottom, and the top. Giveaway boxes can be used in a variety of settings and occasions. Remember, the specific use and contents of the giveaway box will depend on the event, the occasion, or the purpose for which it is being used. The key is to tailor the box and its contents to match the intended recipients and the overall objectives of the giveaway. Thank you for watching until the end, guys. I hope you like this video. And if you do, please click the like button, share it, and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you next video. Bye-bye.